This clip is the installation process of Multipoint Service. Windows activate and then go to Server Manager. Menu Manage, select Add Role and Feature. Press Next. Select Multipoint Service. Feature and Next. This one. Then press Next. Install. After finished, it will show up to notify you. We restart, so you can choose to unplanned and then continue. The machine will restart itself until the restart is complete after back already. Right there will be a function or program. Add 2 more programs to use, namely Multipoint Manager. Its function is to control the child machine and the server that is in the same system. Same band. This one is Multipoint Dashboard to control the child device. You can do many things.